red heels and in my hair. Waited up all night cause I thought you cared. And now you're calling me saying, babe, don't start a